So, I was in an Xbox Live party. I was talking to my friend, and I decided to cook some food, and I take my controller everywhere so I can like keep talking on the headset. And as I was cooking, I was being dumb, and I didn't realize I had this on the burner, and I melted this piece right here, on accident. And now it won't work. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. Alright, come over here. What you need is a lighter and an axe can, or some type of spray. Shit. Shit.
Dude, you're melting the aluminum foil.
Fuck you, controller. Okay, I should not be doing this towards the house, to
And
be
you
honest.
should not be doing it in the grass, but who cares? That's gonna get stuck to the grass. Oh. Just spray it. You don't even have to light the lighter. Oh, maybe you do.
Oh shit, this shit smells like shit. Do not burn a controller. Oh my god.
My pocket.
Alright. So now we got our fixed controller.
Let's just add a little bit more to it.
Dude, do you have like a stick or something?
No, not really.
Alright, we just need to add a little bit more. What?
Pixie dust.
Dude, sand will make it work.
That shit really smells.
Yeah, this smells like shit. God damn it. Burned myself. Fuck you, Xbox. No, just kidding. It was my fault that I did this.
Ugh.
Shit.
Dude, that's awesome.
So now we know what happens when we burn a controller.
You almost died. Dude, look at ashes are getting all over me.
Oh, they're all in the air. What the fuck?
Dude, this is awesome. Ugh.
Still recording.
Yeah.
Well.
Dude, you can see the springs.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, we literally fixed the controller.
It's about damn time I fixed it.
Ah.
Alright, once this is complete right here, I'm gonna take it in.
We're gonna test it out.
Yeah,
Hopefully it works.
yeah. Oh shit, I'm getting ash on.
Oh, Jesus.
See, I put it on the tinfoil because I didn't want to burn the grass, but obviously that didn't really work out.
Yeah. There's black smoke everywhere,
It's
dude.
because we're like burning rubber.
Oh. That smells horrible.
I know.
Oh. Oh.
Alright, you think it's had enough?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put this shit out. Shit.
Blow it
Okay,
again.
we need sand.
Blow it again. Ready? Let's do it at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah, fuck.
Here, grab the phone.
Alright. Now that we fixed our controller,
We're gonna go test it out.
okay, we might not want to touch it for like at least a few minutes.
Okay, now let's go test it out.
Wait, no, hold on. Alright. So I let it cool down, and as you can see, it's in much better condition than what it was before.
I mean, look at this. You can so play this. The
Yeah,
buttons work, the triggers work, the D-pad works,
Yeah. So
triggers. See, the trigger was stuck and now it's not stuck anymore.
way much better condition than it was
Even
before.
the battery pack's easier to put in.
Hope you guys enjoyed this, and have a nice day.